lab enthusiasts. Fume hoods are essential for lab safety, capturing hazardous fumes and preventing exposure. But where does that exhaust go? And how do we ensure it's not harming the environment? In a ducted fume hood, contaminated air is drawn through the hood's baffle system, ensuring uniform airflow and preventing turbulence. The air is then transported through ductwork to an external exhaust system, usually at the terrace level. Once outside, the air is expelled through a properly engineered exhaust stack. The stack height and exhaust velocity are designed to ensure effective dispersion, minimizing re-entry into the building and protecting surrounding areas. But what about environmental impact? To reduce air pollution, many facilities use scrubbers to remove hazardous compounds before releasing the air into the atmosphere. Modern lab ventilation prioritizes both safety and sustainability. Optimizing airflow, using energy-efficient hoods, and integrating pollution control systems help labs reduce their carbon footprint and environmental footprint while maintaining safety. Choosing the right exhaust system isn't just about safety, it's about sustainability. Want to optimize your lab's ventilation while minimizing environmental impact? Contact G.D. Waldner for advanced eco-friendly fume hood solutions.